Next reaction, reduction reactions of alkyl halide. Overall general reaction क्या होगा? If you are having an alkyl halide RX, how to define reduction? Removal of electronegative element and or addition of hydrogen can be treated as reduction, right? So in the reduction reaction of alkyl halides, RX will be converting into RH. We are converting the alkyl halide to alkane. My first reaction, hydrogenolysis, addition of hydrogen. If you are taking RX and if you're reacting that with H2 in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium at some temperature and pressure, it will convert into alkane RH plus HX. Okay, the reaction is called as hydrogenolysis, breaking with the help of hydrogen or addition of hydrogen. Okay, next reaction, which is very good reducing agent. HI, very good. So next reaction is with red phosphorus plus HI. Very good. अब ये जो रेड फॉस्फोरस प्लस HI है, it is a powerful reducing agent और किसी को भी reduce कर लेगा. So apart from RX, I am also giving you ROH, इसको भी reduce कर लेगा. RCHO, aldehyde, और RCOOH, carboxylic acid. Red phosphorus, HI, the final product has to be alkane. ये पहले दो cases में you will get RH. In these two cases you will get RCH3. ये कार्बन एक्स्ट्रा है ना, you will get RCH3. Okay, ठीक है. उसके बाद हमने I think alkanes के preparation method में भी देखा alkyl halide से. Any active metal with HCl acts as reducing agent. याद है ये वाला part? So if you are taking RX and if you are reacting that with tin or zinc in the presence of HCl, or you can also use ZnCu couple plus an acid C2H5OH. These will act as reducing agents. Any active metal with HCl acts as reducing agent and it will convert RX into RH. Okay, so in cases में the reagent that actually that is responsible for the reduction is H positive. Okay, H positive is the reducing agent in these cases. Okay, next reaction using metal hydrides. Reaction using metal hydrides. All metal hydrides are sources of H minus. AlH4 is a powerful reducing agent which is called as lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. It is also abbreviated as LAH, lithium aluminum hydride. अगर इसका structure देखा तो aluminum is forming 4 bonds. Okay, इसके ऊपर negative Li positive. So this is the source of H minus. That H minus will be acting as nucleophile and it will be replacing Rx to form RH. Rx plus LiLH4 gives rise to RH. Okay, clear है? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These are the reduction reactions. In the reduction reactions, you are converting the alkyl halide into alkane. We can use either hydrogenolysis, or you can have the reaction with red phosphorus and HI, or you can use any active metal with an acid, or you can use metal hydride. Okay, next reaction. Williamson's synthesis of ethers. Williamson's synthesis of ethers. What is the general formula for ether?
ROR.
ROR. Okay. So if you are taking Rx and if you are reacting that with alkoxide ion, RO minus Na positive, okay, it will convert into, there will be a substitution reaction. और जो RO minus जो है, it will be substituting the halogen and it will be forming ether. Can you tell me the condition on alkyl halide? What should be the nature of alkyl halide in order to have good substituted product? What should be the nature of alkyl halide in order to have a good substituted product?
1 degree.
1 degree. क्योंकि again RO minus जो है, it is a strong base. अगर वो बल्कि होता गया तो obviously if you are having 2 degree or 3 degree, elimination prefer होगा. Okay, so in order to have a exclusively SN2 reaction, the choice of alkyl halide must be 1 degree alkyl halide. Okay, and how to form alkoxide? If you are dissolving alcohol in sodium, any acid will react with metal to form hydrogen gas, to liberate hydrogen gas. It will form alkoxide followed by liberation of hydrogen gas. Okay, okay. I will mark some questions. Please answer. Please answer them. Among the products, What are the products? बताओ.
फर्स्ट में
फर्स्ट में
ब्यूटवनीन
सॉरी
प्लस सर फर्स्ट में ब्यूटवनीन आ रहा है प्लस मिथेनॉल.
ब्यूटवनीन नहीं है वो. ब्यूटवनीन है क्या वो? 2-methyl propionine ना. In the first case there will be E2 reaction because this is 3-degree substrate. There will be elimination, so the product will be C bond C double bond C. ऐसा कुछ रहेगा ना.
हाँ.
Okay. Plus CH3OH plus Br minus. In the second case, there is no chance for elimination. There is no beta hydrogen only. So there will be a substitution leading to the formation of ether. Okay.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. Next reactions. Reaction with aqueous KOH and alcoholic KOH. ये already हमने देखा है in reagents and mechanisms chapter. With aqueous KOH, what is the product? What is the product with aqueous KOH?
SN2 mechanism.
SN2 mechanism. With alcoholic KOH?
E2.
E2 mechanism. Good. So Rx plus aqueous KOH, you will get ROH, right? Alcohol. SN2 RH, sorry, Rx plus alcoholic KOH, you will get alkene.
Yes.
According to E2. ठीक है, ये already हमने देखा है. Next set of reactions, very important. Preparation and reactions of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent already हमने कभी एक बार पढ़ा है. I think in GOC 1 हमने पढ़ा है. But again I will mark the preparation of Grignard reagent. Very important. It is important for your boards too. Preparation and reactions of Grignard reagent. Okay. If you are taking Rx and reacting that with Mg and the choice of solvent is dry ether, you will get RMgX. If you analyze the nature of the bond between RMg and Mg and X, the bond between Mg and X is ionic because X is predominantly more electronegative when compared to Mg. So the bond between Mg and X is ionic, purely ionic. The bond between R and Mg is covalent. Okay. The bond between R and Mg is covalent. But उन दोनों के बीच में electronegativity difference ज़्यादा होने की वजह से the bond becomes polar covalent. It has significant polarity. Or for all problem solving purposes, we take the bond as ionic. मतलब ये जो RMgX है, we take that as source of R minus. Okay. Or else you will break this as R minus plus Mg positive X. But if in the question they're asking what is the nature of the bond between R and Mg, you need to put that as polar covalent bond. It is not an ionic bond. Very important. Okay. Clear है? ठीक है. अभी इसमें हमको एक क्वेश्चन आता है, why ether is chosen as the solvent and why it has to be dry. There are two questions. Why only ether and why it has to be dry. If you are having solvents, you have two different choices of solvents, or you have two different types of solvents. Non-polar solvents as well as polar solvents. Non-polar solvents मतलब क्या होगा? Where the net dipole moment is equals to 0. Some important examples of non-polar solvents are benzene C6H6, carbon disulfide CS2. Okay. We cannot use non-polar solvents for the preparation of Grignard reagent because Grignard reagent itself is a polar compound, like dissolves like, na? So you should not use a non-polar solvent. In case of polar solvent, again you have two different choices: polar protic and polar aprotic. Polar protic and polar aprotic. Polar protic solvent मतलब क्या है? One which can furnish H positive. One which can give H positive, right? Examples are H2O, CH3COOH, ROH और कुछ HF. All these are polar protic solvents where you are able to give H positive to the system. Polar aprotic solvents मतलब they cannot furnish H positive. H positive बाहर निकल के आने के लिए what should be the condition? It has to be attached to highly electronegative elements like oxygen or nitrogen or fluorine. In that case, H positive can be liberated. Everyone in the lecture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Polar aprotic solvent मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? Where the hydrogen is not attached to any of the electronegative elements like nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Important examples are acetone, dimethyl sulfoxide, DMSO. याद है ना, इसके बारे में देखा हमने, DMSO. Dimethyl formamide, DMF. Okay, these are important examples of polar aprotic solvents. इसी केस में you can also take ether. ROR. Out of these available solvents, first of all, आप लोग को ये कंफर्म होना चाहिए, you need to use the polar solvent. Polar solvent में हमारे पास दो choices है, polar protic और polar aprotic. Polar protic can never be chosen as a solvent for the preparation of Grignard reagent. Reason being, if you are taking Grignard reagent, suppose मान लेते Grignard reagent form कर लिया आप लोग, which is R minus Mg positive X. If you are taking any polar protic solvent, suppose let us take H2O. So ये जो H2O है, it is source of H positive ना? Is R minus a very strong conjugate base? Because RH is weak acid. So R minus जो है, it will be combining with this H positive and it will convert into RH. So जो Grignard reagent हमने बनाया है, that Grignard reagent का वो जो उसका utility जो है वो खत्म हो गया. Immediately after formation of RMGX, it will be reacting with the H positive present in the system and it will be converting into alkane. This happens with any of the polar protic solvent. Okay. In case of polar aprotic solvents, suppose if you are taking acetone, अभी ये जो RMGX में R minus है, can it also act as nucleophile? A negatively charged species can act as both base as well as nucleophile, right? So if it is acting as nucleophile, is there any electrophilic center in acetone? No.
C वाला.
C double bond यहाँ पे है ना, this is partial positive, this is partial negative, so the negatively charged nucleophile will be approaching that particular positive charge, and whenever a reagent approaches a substrate, there will be electromagnetic effect. The pi bond will be polarized onto most electronegative element, which is oxygen. उस पर्टिकुलर कंटेक्स्ट में कार्बन के ऊपर कंप्लीट पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा. सो तब क्या होगा, दिस विल बी अटैकिंग ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर कार्बन and it will be forming CH3C bond O minus. अभी वो जो Mg पॉजिटिव X है इसके साथ दे दो, यहाँ पे जाके R जाके लग गया बॉन्ड CH3. फिर से क्या हुआ, जो भी ग्रिग्नाट रिएजेंट बना है it got reacted with that and उसका यूटिलिटी कम हो गया. That similar thing will happen with DMSO2 because it also has S double bond O. DMF के साथ भी सेम रिएक्शन होगा, बट ईथर के साथ that reaction is not possible. Okay, we have R minus, a strong nucleophile, but if it has to attack on the ROR, what should happen? This OR should act as leaving group. ये जो RO minus है, poor leaving group. Weaker the base, better is the leaving group. Strong base is poor leaving group, na? So
Yes.
this being poor leaving group, it will not readily go out of the system. As a result, is reaction हो सकता है. Definitely this can happen, but the product that is found because of this reaction will be very, very less, minor रहेगा. So no need to worry. So out of all possible solvents, the solvent which you need to use for the preparation of Grignard reagent is ether.
Water.
And why it has to be dry?
Because H2 के साथ फिर से वो R minus react करेगा.
Exactly. अगर ether dry है तो जो भी H2O रहेगा, it will, the formed Grignard reagent will be reacting with that particular H2O to form alkene. Okay? ठीक है. So I'm writing 2 questions here. एक 2 questions का आंसर आप लोग ही लिखना बाद में. Why ether is chosen as solvent? Second question. Why ether must be dry? Okay. Okay, let us go to reactions of Grignard reagent. So whenever you have a Grignard reagent, RMGX, the Grignard reagent can act as 2 different reagents. Like it can act like a base. Whenever it sees an acid, it will act like a base. Dusra, it can act as a nucleophile if it is seeing an electrophilic site. So Grignard reagent can have 2 different properties. It can act like a base as well as a nucleophile. Out of these 2, सपोज एक पर्टिकुलर मॉलिक्यूल में यू हैव एन एसिडिक साइट, मतलब H+ भी दे सकता है, एंड यू हैव इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक साइट टू. Out of these 2, always first it will try to act like an acid. Sorry, always it will first try to act like a base because acid-base reactions are ionic reactions. They are fast reactions. Okay. So अगर in case आपको मॉलिक्यूल में 2 choices है, one part of it is able to give H positive and the other part of it has some electrophilic center. तब Grignard reagent कैसे act करेगा? It will prefer to act like base first because acid base reactions are considered as fast reactions. Okay, ionic reactions है ना? Clear है?
हाँ sir.
ठीक है. So I will give you questions, उसको fill करना आप लोग. First set of reactions, Grignard reagent as a base. एक के साथ मैं आप लोग को दिखाऊंगा, बाकी सब रिएक्शंस आप लोग लिखो। RMGX इट इज सोर्स ऑफ R माइनस H2O के अंदर से H पॉजिटिव आएगा ना, सो सब केसेस में द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलवेज RH इन ऑल द केसेस। बाय प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, इधर से Mg पॉजिटिव OH minus X, MgOH X. Okay, in this case the byproduct will be वो जो Mg है OCH3X. In this case it will be Mg C triple bond C R dash X. In this case it will be Mg NH2X. In this case it will be Mg phenoxide OPHX. In this case it will be Mg RCO minus X. Okay, in all the cases the main product is same, it is alkane. ठीक है, ये मैंने ही कर लिया, नेक्स्ट वाला तो आप लोग करो। Grignard reagent as a nucleophile. In the first step, you have reacted that with HCHO. In the second step, I'm using H3O positive. Okay. In the first step, you are reacting that with aldehyde RCHO. Second step, again hydrolysis H3O positive. Try to mark the products. I will explain you the first reaction. आप लोग बाकी reactions करो. In the HCHO, you have HC double bond O H, right? Whenever R minus approaches this, ये वाला bond polarize होगा, इसके ऊपर negative, इसके ऊपर positive. So you will get HC bond O minus Mg positive X, and you will attach R over here, hydrogen. This with hydrolysis H3O positive, that will convert into RC bond. यहाँ पे OH आ जाएगा, hydrogen R, and you will get MgOHX. So this is leading to the formation of 1 degree alcohol. Okay, so similarly do the reactions with RCHO, RC double bond R dash, baki sab. Take some time, do the reactions. I will discuss.
Yes. माझा मोठा बा काढा तो. हा तुमचा लावा, तो लावलेला होता इथं 4 मिनिट्स मी.
So okay.
हो गया?
हाँ.
So if you are reacting with formaldehyde, you got 1 degree alcohol. If you are reacting it with aldehyde, डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट लिख रहा हूं मैं, आई थिंक यू आप लोग को 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल आया होगा.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे OH, यहाँ पे R dash, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन. So it resulted in the formation of 2 degree alcohol. And with ketone, I think आप लोग को 3 degree alcohol आया होगा. यही आया?
हाँ सर.
Okay. In this case, ये जो R minus है, because of the ring strain in the compound, the R minus will be attacking on one of the carbons and it will be relieving the ring strain. So the product will be R CH2 bond OH. Okay? ठीक है. अभी इस पर्टिकुलर कंटेक्स्ट में द साइक्लिक ईथर इज सिमेट्रिकल, मतलब आप लोग कोई भी कार्बन पे अटैक करवाओ कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सपोज इफ द साइक्लिक ईथर इज नॉट सिमेट्रिकल, इन दैट केस व्हाट विल यू डू? सपोज ये रिएक्शन दे रहा हूं आप लोग को, RMgX
क्या हुआ नहीं?
ये वाला, इसके ऊपर रिएक्शन करवा रहा हूं. टेल मी द प्रोडक्ट, वेयर विल यू अटैक दैट पर्टिकुलर R माइनस? ऑन द, ये वाला फर्स्ट कार्बन मान रहा हूं, ये वाला सेकंड कार्बन मान रहा हूं. ऑन विच कार्बन विल यू गो एंड अटैक द R माइनस?
सर सेकंड पे.
सेकंड पे. रीजन?
सर 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल फॉर्म होता है.
हाँ, ये क्या रीजन है? देखो, ये जो R माइनस है, it is negatively charged reagent ना. If you are doing substitution, which substitution will you do? SN2 होता है.
हाँ 2 हाँ.
नेगेटिवली चार्ज के साथ SN2 है ना. SN2 का रिएक्टिविटी क्या होता है? मिथाइल ग्रेटर देन 1 डिग्री ग्रेटर देन 2 डिग्री ना. So on which the steric hindrance will be more less, R minus will go and attack on that particular carbon. So यहाँ पे आप लोग को प्रोडक्ट ये मिलेगा. समझा? Is this clear?
हाँ.
Okay, ठीक है. इस पर्टिकुलर केस में पहले मैं आप लोग को इधर नीचे रिएक्शन लिखता हूँ. RMgX plus this compound is acyl chloride or it is derivative of carboxylic acid. What will happen is R minus जो है पहले जाके उस कार्बन के ऊपर अटैक करेगा. Then you will get O minus Mg positive X, यहाँ पे R जाके लगा Cl. In the next step, what will happen is that Cl can act as leaving group. So next step में this will come back and this will be acting as leaving group. So you will get R dash C double bond O R plus MgClX. This is the first product formed. Okay. अभी इसके ऊपर मैंने क्या लिखा उधर? If Grignard reagent is in excess, now another molecule of RMgX will be attacking on this ketone to form a 3 degree alcohol. Bond OH, R and R. Okay. So whenever you have carboxylic acid derivatives, the character याद रखना, बाद में भी हम carboxylic acid chapters में पढ़ेंगे. The characteristic reactions of carboxylic acid derivatives is nucleophilic substitution reactions. मतलब वो जो Cl है that will be substituted by nucleophile. So first it will result in the formation of ketone. That ketone, if the Grignard reagent is present in excess, it will further react to form a 3 degree alcohol. This is the product. Is this clear? Clear है?
हाँ सर.
CO2 के साथ क्या मिला आप लोग को?
कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड.
वेरी गुड. C डबल बॉन्ड O, ये जो R माइनस है it will be attacking on the carbon. ऐसा लेके जाओ, so it will get R C double bond O minus पहले Mg positive X. On hydrolysis, you will get R C double bond O on OH. This is the final product. Clear सब लोग को?
Yes, sir.
Okay. और कुछ reactions देता हूँ. Mark the products. RMGX. HCN. H3O positive. Mark the products. पहला क्वेश्चन देखो, बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लोग करो. If you have R minus Mg positive X plus HC triple bond N, जब वो अप्रोच करेगा, the pi bond will be polarized onto nitrogen, nitrogen being more electronegative. So this will be attacking on this particular carbon. So the product formed will be HC, यहाँ पे R double bond N minus Mg positive X, right? इसके बाद if you are doing H3O positive, आप लोग ज़्यादा कुछ सोचना नहीं. Replace that nitrogen with oxygen. Okay, we don't have exact mechanism. Replace that particular nitrogen with oxygen. तब होगा क्या? Double bond O, bond R. So you will be forming RCHO. If the Grignard reagent is in excess, in that case, the final product formed will be 2-degree alcohol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, the product formed is aldehyde, RCHO. So write the reactions for other two. With RCN, you will get ketone. इसको R dash कर लेते हैं. You will get R C double bond O R dash. With O2, you get alcohol. R bond OH. With O2, the product found will be alcohol. The reaction is also called as auto-oxidation. मतलब if you leave the Grignard reagent in the atmosphere, वो अपने आप में oxidation होके it will convert into alcohol. In general, we will try to avoid this reaction because उससे utility कम होता जा रहा है ना. क्योंकि अल्कोहल बनाने के लिए हमारे पास दूसरा रिएक्शंस भी है, वो 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री 3 डिग्री बनाने के लिए. ऑटो ऑक्सीडेशन मतलब वो अपने आप में हो जाएगा. So we will in general try to omit this reaction, but if it is exposed to air, it will be converting into alcohol. Is this clear? Shall I go to next set of reactions?
Sir,
Yeah.
सर वो ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट गैस होता है क्या, मतलब गैसेस फेज में होता है?
नहीं नहीं, इट्स एन आयनिक कंपाउंड ना, मतलब उसका पोलैरिटी ज्यादा है ना उसका,
हाँ
एंड यू
सर।
गैसेस फेज में नहीं रहेगा, ऑलवेज यू विल फॉर्म दैट ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट इन ईथर सॉल्वेंट, उसको बनाते ही उस सॉल्वेंट में बना रहे हैं ना,
हाँ
ओके। Whenever you
हाँ
have Grignard reagent, you have the dry ether with you. You will be forming or you will be preparing that in the dry ether.
हाँ सर।
Okay. ठीक है. Solve these questions. यहाँ पे take this only one equivalent, मतलब one equivalent with this, नीचे लिखता हूँ, not in excess, just take one equivalent. What is RC double bond O or
ईस्टर।
ester? Okay. Is it a carboxylic acid derivative?
Yes.
हाँ
And this is acid anhydride.
यस।
It is also a carboxylic acid derivative. Whenever
Yes.
you have carboxylic acid derivatives, the characteristic reactions are substitution reactions. So in this case, the products formed will be R dash C double bond O, Grignard reagent R जाके substitute होगा, plus MgOR X. In this case also it will be R dash C double bond O R plus MgO C double bond O R dash X. Okay. इस पर्टिकुलर केस में ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट एक्सेस में है, सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म्ड, बता सकते हो? सबसे पहले क्या होगा, वन ऑफ द OCS3 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड, यहाँ पे आके CH3 आएगा, इसके ऊपर फिर से वी विल ऐड CH3 MgBr, which will lead to the formation of a ketone. इसके ऊपर फिर से this is the final product. Clear? Is this clear?
हाँ सर।
Next question. Answer. 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 What is the answer for this? Ashutosh, answer.
Phenol.
Phenol. Grignard reagent जो है, it is source of carbanion. ये वाला Mg positive X. This is the source of H positive. So it will always act like acid base reaction. So यहाँ पे H जाके लगेगा. The answer is benzene plus MgOCH3X. फिनोल नहीं है. फिनोल कैसे आएगा? You need to identify if the reactant is polar protic. Just आप लोग को alkane जैसे बनाना है, OH positive उसको देना है. Okay?
हाँ sir.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Last question, final question. You need to prepare this particular alcohol. You need to tell me the different choices of Grignard reagent and the carbonyl compound. The starting materials. This is 3-degree alcohol. The question is, how many combinations of Grignard reagent and carbonyl compound can be chosen to get desired alcohol? Solve this.
सर सर
बोलो।
हाँ सर, वो ग्रिग्नार रिएजेंट का आर आइसोप्रोपाइल MgBr।
ओके ओके, isopropyl MgBr सही है। देन द कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड विल बी, मतलब आप लोग यहाँ से कर रहे हैं ना, if you are taking this as the Grignard reagent,
हाँ
then you will get C MgBr C plus, the ketone will be C double bond O CH2 CH3. This is one combination. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये जो negative charge है, this will be attacking on this particular carbon, it will be converting into OH and you will get this product. This is one of the combination. दूसरा combination क्या होगा, you can form the Grignard reagent with this carbon or you can form the Grignard reagent with this carbon. So accordingly you will get यहाँ पे MgBr plus C double bond O कार्बन कार्बन, यहाँ पे ये वाला होगा,
हाँ
हाँ
excuse me, or you can have CH3 CH2 MgBr plus C double bond O, ये होगा. So you can have 3 different choices. This is the answer. समझ में आया आप लोग को क्या किया इधर?
हाँ सर।
You need to choose different choices of Grignard reagent and the carbonyl compound. जहाँ पे OH बन रहा है वहाँ पे ब्रेक करके आप लोग Grignard reagent और carbonyl compound को एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. I hope this is clear. Okay.